Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom, and we're here to talk about unusual options activity. All right, let's kick it off with the disclaimer. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. All right, everyone. First one I want to talk about is PaySafe. Now, this is a payments platform company. I believe this stock is just recently coming on the Reddit boards, and there's a lot of people bringing it up on Reddit. So this thing was up about 10% on Friday. Last trading day was Friday. So, I own the stock in this one and have for, a little bit. I think I bought it around $11 a share or so. Now, if you come down and look at these July 16th options here, there's a whole bunch of volume here. That's pretty unusual. There's quite a bit of open interest here, but from my analysis and owning the stock and just looking at this every so often, checking out the option chain, the option open interest does not spike up 20,000 in one day. So to see 24,000 contracts traded here, 34,000 contracts traded here of these short-term calls, that's pretty unusual here, and I believe that these people are buying these because PaySafe is now on the Reddit boards. There's quite a few people talking about it on Reddit. Personally, I'm not going to be buying these option contracts because I own the stock. This is going to be a long-term hold for me. I can see this stock way in the future, way above where it is now. Something else I just want to point out now, 12,000 of these August 20th 15 strike calls traded. Now, me personally, I would probably go out to these August 20th options. Personally, I own the stock like I just said, so I'm not going to be buying any of these options because I believe in this company a lot. That I went out and bought the stock and plan on holding it for quite a while now. Another good thing about this stock is this stock was trading at $20 early this year. And now it's down. It was down to 11. Now it's at about 12. So I think you're getting in at a great price. This used to be a SPAC. Bill Foley, he's a great entrepreneur. Has had quite a few SPACs, and they've been really successful. Great companies. I like this company. I listen to the earnings calls and stuff. I like the CEO. So I own the stock. I'm not going to be buying the options, but just wanted to let you guys know that there was some buying in some options. And that's probably going to be a Reddit stock in the future. Not too sure, but I don't own it for that reason, and I'm not going to be selling it on a 12% spike like that because I think the stock can go a lot higher over multiple years. So, next one I want to bring up is MGNI. This is a advertising technology company, along with Trade Desk and Digital Turbine. So I really like these stocks, and there was some news that Google came out with something having to do with ad technology, and they're going to be delaying rolling out I think it's their certain type of ad technology, or not allowing these companies to track third-party cookies or something like that. But there was some nice buying here. 4,000 of these August 20th 35 strike calls here came into this volume here. Now, looking at the open interest here, there's not a whole lot of contracts that are traded in MGNI. So to see 4,000 contracts coming in here being traded, that is quite unusual. There's quite a bit of open interest in these September calls here, but specifically looking at these August ones, there's not a whole lot of open interest. 4,000 contracts come in, they're being bought. I like that volume to open interest ratio, and I like the stock. I like this company. This was a $4 stock. In April, and as you can see, this thing has had a huge run up to 64, but I do like this chart. It's definitely kind of in a downtrend here, but it looks like we're holding some nice support at this 200-day moving average. We came down, hit it at about 24, we bounced off it again at 28, and we broke above the 50-day moving average here, which is a good sign that we're gaining some momentum here. If you look down at some of these indicators here, they're all trending up here. The MACD, this blue line here is crossing back over this yellow line here, so the blue line is coming above the yellow line there, so that's a good sign that this stock is gaining momentum here. I like this stock. I was even considering buying the stock, but I got the options instead, and if the stock trades down, I might even go out and buy the stock if I have a loss in the option, just to try to make back, some of the premium I paid on the option. But just because I like this stock that much, I'm willing to go out and buy the stock as well if the option trade does not work out, because this could be a multi-year hold for me. So yeah. All right, everyone. Thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Make sure to keep the subscribing up. I really appreciate people shooting a like, shooting a subscribe, leaving a comment down below. Make sure to share this video on your Facebook or whatever, or share it with a friend who's struggling with options trading. We're all here to help. So thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.